Have you ever wondered how ChatGPT answers questions within seconds? How can a machine write essays, solve problems, explain topics, and even have conversations like humans? Is it really thinking like humans? Or is there something else happening behind the scenes? In this video, we will understand ChatGPT in a very simple and practical way. Hello everyone and welcome back to Riaz Academy. Artificial intelligence is changing the world rapidly, and one of the most popular AI tools today is ChatGPT. Millions of people around the world are using it for learning, writing, coding, research, and communication. But many people still ask, how does ChatGPT actually work? So today, let us understand this amazing technology in easy language. First of all, ChatGPT is an AI language model created to understand and generate human-like text. It can answer questions, write articles, translate languages, summarize information, and even help in learning. But ChatGPT does not think exactly like humans. It works by analyzing patterns in language. ChatGPT learns from massive amount of text data. Books, articles, websites, conversations, and many other sources are used during training. By reading enormous amounts of text, it learns how humans write, how sentences are formed, and how ideas connect together. This process is called training the AI model. Now, here comes the interesting part. When you type a question, ChatGPT analyzes your words and tries to understand the meaning of your request. Then, using the patterns it learned during training, it generates a response step by step. It works word by word and sentence by sentence very quickly. That is why responses appear almost instantly. Does ChatGPT understand everything? Not exactly. ChatGPT is extremely powerful, but it does not truly understand emotions, consciousness, or human experiences the way humans do. It works using patterns, probabilities, and data analysis. That is why sometimes AI can make mistakes or provide incorrect information. So, human thinking and verification are still very important. ChatGPT is becoming important because it can help people learn faster, save time, improve productivity, and access information easily. Students, teachers, writers, businesses, and programmers are already using AI tools in daily life. In the future, AI assistants may become common in education, healthcare, business, and communication. But remember, artificial intelligence should be used responsibly. It should help humans, not replace human creativity, wisdom, and ethics. Technology becomes beneficial only when humans use it wisely. So today we learned what ChatGPT is, how it is trained, how it generates answers, why it is important, and why human intelligence still matters. ChatGPT is not magic. It is the result of advanced artificial intelligence and massive data training. And this technology will continue shaping the future. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Riaz Academy. Keep learning, keep improving, and keep moving towards the future. Goodbye.